Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel. And, I took out an old picture from the past showing us what Windows 10 was supposed to be, a operating system across devices. And, of course, including some of the devices being tablets and phones and, touchscreen devices of all sorts, PCs, gaming. But one of the things that's interesting is the Windows 10 on ARM. So more and more we're seeing that Windows 10 on ARM is more of a problem than anything else, which is a little embarrassing if you consider that and look at the Apple side of things, where Macs are going to run on a ARM processor made by Apple, the M1. And it does it fairly well from what we see, where Windows is actually not performing well in the same environment of ARM processors. Now, of course, Apple made its custom chip, but that said, we haven't seen a lot about Windows 10 on ARM lately. It's been something that Microsoft's been very quiet. But to add to this, something interesting, where a lot of people were surprised. Last week, Qualcomm announced its new Qualcomm 888 chipset and the new processors, ARM processors that will be running that with, the new technologies that it uses. And one of the things that we noticed is that they've talked about phone and more phones, maybe a few tablets, but there was a absolute quiet about Windows. Every time in the past couple of years there have been some ARM chip announcements, they had a moment where they would talk about Windows 10 on ARM and the future of Windows 10 on ARM. The more we look at it now, the less it seems Windows 10 on ARM has a future. Everything that's running it is really sluggish and hasn't really taken on at all. And, we don't even see the devices being sold much. And there's a lot of promise of performance and everything coming. And, they were saying, well, 64-bit, apps are going to run. But it's very quiet. And with the latest chip announcements, they're more powerful. That means Windows should be running faster on that. But there's absolutely no news about anything. And this is, I think, showing us that maybe Windows 10 on ARM is slowly looking like a failure more than anything else. We'll see in 2021. It's going to be interesting to look at that year. I think it's going to be the year of, if there's something happening, they have to do it there. And, Windows 10X coming up and all of that. But there's that strange quietness right now with Windows 10 on ARM. And I think Microsoft is not going in the right direction, or things are not working like they want. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.